Everybody, this is Immaculate multi-sport box number 2. Good luck, everybody. 4 times. 4 times on the random. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thomas up top and Will at the bottom. And 4 times on the letters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. S up top and H at the bottom.
They start out on eBay.
Yeah, you get them on the channel and they start following you guys and get you more fan base.
Alright, Thomas has letter S. Thomas has letter R. Dave's got P. Jeremy's got F, U, and M. Dave C has L. Michael Hayes has I and Z. Ben's got G. Michael Hayes has A and Q. Paul's got K. Will's got C. Dan has letter N. David C has letter Y. John has W and X. Neil's got J. Dave Marr has V. Neil's got D. Thomas has O. Jeremy Tillman's got B. David H has T. Brian's got E. And Will has H. So let me alphabetize this real quick. And we'll pick the box and we'll pause it just in case there's any trades. I don't think there will be.
A year ago, we never would have been able to sell that.
Really? Does this have much difference in a year?
Dice roller. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 is a re-roll. I'm just gonna roll 6 and 5s, I guess. There we go, box 1.
Just interaction with people and just, where you guys are with the customers.
Yeah.
I mean, to me, it's, that's why we come back, Right. And I've done all this for you guys. To me, sometimes it gets a little cocky, Yeah, they say, well, we appreciate the customer, but then when you have a problem with the customer, it's like,
Yeah.
you get to it and you just,
I don't really watch a lot.
yeah.
I tend to, because that could steer you the wrong direction.
Good luck.
Yeah.
This one's fat, man. Fatty.
Yeah,
Pretty much know.
I thought there were supposed to be like 6 cards per box. Last box had like 10 cards.
Your
Man.
business after the customer, it's not like you're selling cell phones or something else. So you're very, people love their cards. You have to take care of them. Show you.
I can barely get this open, man. Wow. Look at
I
that.
had one guy came back.
That is sweet.
Some sort of auto and
Brian, you got letter E. Damn, that is sweet. The first one out of the gate. Rookie player caps. 2 of 2, Rashad Green.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
2 out of 2, Rashad Green. Going out to the letter G. And Ben. Benji, nice hit.
But it's like, it's worth it, to me.
2 of 2.
Yeah. Well, I mean, there's something
That was a sweet card.
It's not like I'm pocketing the money.
Yeah.
It goes to the state of California.
Yeah, and it's bulging out a pen sleeve there. Awesome.
Now, eBay, PayPal.
We got for letter B, Brandon Belt. 19 out of 99. Go Longhorns. Jeremy Tillman. We got Jeremy Davis, 77 of 99. Yukon Huskies. D. Neil. Give us a trunk horn. I don't know about that. Going out to the letter L, Samantha Logic. 56 out of 99. Iowa Hawkeyes. Letter L, Dave, Riley Card Collector.
Falls up, and then that paperwork.
Did you see this? This is sick.
Where it doesn't look in the system. Also,
Yeah, we got 39 of 99. Walker Bueller. Letter B, Jeremy Tillman. We got Immaculate Jumbos. Numbered 36 out of 99. Nelson Aguilar. Going out to Michael Hayes. This is a nice one. Yeah, I know. Neil with a very nice hit on this one. Numbered 40 out of 99, David Johnson. Nice on-card auto David Johnson. Going out to Neil.
Need their money,
There's a lot of
so-
money that's, being, diverted or.
And the last one of this box. Going out to letter D, number 20 out of 25, Sam Decker. Letter D, owned by Neil. Man. Neil with that one. So thanks, everybody. That was Immaculate number 2. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. See y'all next time.